Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So an unboxing for today is this. It's a big envelope. Okay guys, so let's open. It's easy to open. Ta-da! I cannot see it yet. So it needs opening. Okay. Yes. Okay, so let's see guys. Oh my god. Look at this guys. What's that, darling?
It's a multi-region Blu-ray player.
Blu-ray player. So because
At least I hope it's multi-region, because I paid for a multi-region one. I wanted to keep a spare in case the one who got breaks down, because they seem to have stopped making most of them. And this was made quite a few years ago. It's an older model. I just hope it's new.
Also, it says play any standard DVD region.
Yeah.
It says here.
Multi-region, DVD and Blu-ray.
Oh, see, okay. So Blu-ray this DVD player. So it says here as well.
Yeah.
So it's every corner.
From anywhere in the world, it should play. Any DVD, any Blu-ray.
Oh, any Blu-ray.
Yeah.
So it's good then. So you just have to program.
Yeah, you just press certain buttons on the remote, depending on the region of the DVD or Blu-ray before you play it. I have to try it out, make sure it works.
Okay, so let's open it guys and see.
It doesn't play 4K Blu-rays and it doesn't play 3D. But I'm not worried about that because, as you know, our 3D TV is gone and they replaced it with a non-3D. They don't make 3D TVs anymore.
Why?
I don't know. It's stupid. And 4K to me, it just makes the picture look darker. 4K Blu-rays, so I'd rather have normal Blu-ray rather than 4K Blu-ray.
Also, it's much better.
To me it is. It's a brighter picture.
Okay, so that's the instruction. So that's the remote.
Yeah.
And they put battery as well
Sony.
for the remote. Oh, so this is Sony.
Yeah, it's the Sony.
Sony.
Made by Sony.
Yeah. So that's the plug.
HDMI lead.
Lead. Yeah.
And that's the plug.
And that's the plug. Okay. And that's the...
And that's the adapter for a foreign country. I don't know which one.
I think this is Switzerland.
Could be. Could be more than one country.
Yeah. It says thank you for your purchase.
Maybe the instructions are on there.
No, it's in this instruction booklet.
Yes, they won't be in the booklet because these are not made as multi-region. They're converted.
Oh, really? That
Yeah.
DVD play.
Yeah, it won't be in there.
Really?
They normally put a separate leaflet or something.
Oh dear.
Telling you how to convert it with the remote control.
Oh, so there is something in here. Ta-da! So that's the one.
Does it look new? No scratches?
Yeah, it looks new.
Because they said it's a much older model. The newer ones, which are 4K, they cost another 120, 150 pounds or so, which is not worth the extra.
There's no scratches.
Yes.
So it's completely fine. Yeah, that's the thing in there.
Yeah, and is that the instructions for?
So this is the please. It says please read.
You have to press certain colored
Yeah,
buttons
press
depending
yellow
on the region.
button. Yeah, so
Yeah.
it is instructions, zone A, zone B, zone C. So it's the instruction for it. So it's good because it's only one player and then you can use it multi-region.
Yeah.
So it's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the front. So when you put it, that's the front.
Yeah.
So how will it open? Ah, that one.
Yeah, it needs power.
And then this one will open this.
Something will come out.
Ah, maybe here. This will lift up.
Maybe, and then the drawer opens.
Yeah. So that's it.
We had one of these. I don't know if it was this model, the first one we had, which didn't last very long. It broke down
There's a
after
YouTube
like a
test.
couple of years. Yeah, but I won't be connecting it to the internet.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
There's no point.
So it's only just for Blu-ray.
Yeah, I just want to watch DVDs and Blu-rays
Oh, so okay. So that's good.
in
Because
case
we
our
got,
other one breaks down. Because
So
the
how
one we
long
had
will
before
this
broke
last?
down after about a year and a half, 2 years at the most.
this.
Well, the first one we had, so that's why I want the spare one before
Oh,
they
so
stop making them.
this will be the spare.
Yeah. Well, I think I'll just put this to use because we have to use it to make sure it works alright.
Yeah, so you have
And
to draw.
put the other one which can also play 4K and 3D.
Oh, see, okay.
Put that as spare.
And is this play 4K and 3D as well?
No,
Also just the Blu-ray?
just normal
Just the
Blu-ray.
normal Blu-ray. And
No, not 3D
Oh,
and not
okay.
4K.
Yeah, because it's just sending DVD video.
That's why it was cheaper, 160.
Oh,
The
so if
ones
it's
that
with
play
Blu-ray,
4K and
is it more
3D,
more
they
pricey?
yeah, they're like 350, 400.
Oh, so it's double the price.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so that's good then. You got your player. so so now I'm looking forward to more
Watching more
more
Blu-rays.
watching films.
Well, we could have done that with the one we got already, but we tend to
Yeah.
watch more just TV transmitted normal stuff
Yeah, yeah.
and the occasional streaming.
Yeah, you keep buying Blu-ray, but you don't watch.
Yeah,
It's just sitting on the shelf
just for the collection.
for collection. Yeah. Alright, okay, so this is the unboxing for today, guys. And thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Thank you. Tara! Love, love, love.